Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use MedGemini. To begin, access the platform through your secure web portal or integrated electronic medical record system. MedGemini is a powerful artificial intelligence assistant, specifically designed to support healthcare professionals in their daily practice. It helps with quick information retrieval, differential diagnosis, and treatment planning, saving you valuable time. MedGemini offers several core features to enhance your workflow. You can ask natural language questions to quickly retrieve accurate medical information. It also helps generate differential diagnoses based on patient symptoms and lab results. Furthermore, you can review evidence-based treatment guidelines and check for potential drug interactions, all within moments. To get the most out of MedGemini, focus on effective prompting. Always provide specific patient details, such as age, gender, and relevant medical history, to ensure precise results. Use clear and concise medical terminology in your queries to avoid ambiguity. If an initial response isn't detailed enough, refine your question for better outcomes. Remember, MedGemini is a powerful support tool, but it does not replace professional medical advice. Always verify information with your clinical judgment and official guidelines. Patient data privacy is paramount. It is maintained through robust encryption and strict compliance protocols. Use MedGemini responsibly to enhance your decision-making process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.